In Creo 12, a new export option has been added to trim simplified beams at the lattice boundary. Like in this example, we have a 3D model of a simplified beam lattice with a very thin solid boundary. If we make the boundary thicker, there will be no lattice showing outside of such boundary. But with the configuration shown, we can have a problem. Now let's create an STL file with this new option selected and save the file. Then let's create another file without the new option and compare the two files. In part mode, the option is applicable when you use Save-As to export as an STL or 3MF files. In the tray assembly, the option is applicable for exporting and slicing. You should be aware that selecting this option will increase the calculation time. If you do not need to trim the beams, to reduce calculation time, clear this option at the boundary checkbox. The benefits of this option are more flexibility to prepare 3D lattice models using simplified representation, straightforward export workflow, and supported inside the same familiar lattice user interface. Thank you for your attention.